how to disable camera on Android. So if you want to disable your camera on Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings and make sure that you have turned on your developer mode. So scroll down and go for system. Under system, go for developer options. Make sure that you have turned on the developer mode. And once you've turned on the developer mode, here you will have all of the options, right? So under these options, you need to find quick settings, developer, tiles. So here you will have the option. Tap on the option, and once you tap on it, here you will have sensors option, right? So tap on the sensors off option. Once you tap on sensors off, once you turn off, now go for the upper side, and here you will have sensors off option. Now you can remove that, and you can go for your camera and see that your sensors won't work. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you can disable your camera on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.